Good morning, this is Captain Tinsley, Salty Abandon, and we drove home, got home about 1 a.m. this morning, and that's Tuxie right there. She's talking. She's glad we're home. We drove home from St. Petersburg. She's glad we're home. After we met with the yacht rigger, Richard Lloyd, to talk about my lists of things that I want them to do to the boat. There's some repairs. There's also just some installation of some things. I took a lot of things to be installed. He's going to order some solar panels for me. Just get it ready for cruising and kind of have a similar setup as I had on the other boat. The other boat was really nicely set up for cruising. It was set up nicely when I bought it, but I added a lot of things. So I want to try to get it as close to that as possible and maybe even better. And Richard, those guys are just so knowledgeable about all this. They are sailors themselves, all the guys that work for them. It's actually a father and son business. It's Richard is the father, Stephen is the son, and they have a bunch of really qualified guys that work for them. But anyway, so I gave them my list. We went over everything. We looked at the boat. It's hauled up. It's hauled out, and I will show you some pictures of that. And I'm supposed to get a itemized list and pricing, a quote tomorrow. So I'm really glad. I'm looking forward to seeing that. I think, anyway, I told him I didn't want to spend $1 million. I've already spent a lot of money, and hopefully the bill won't be so bad. We decided to go ahead and come home last night because the storm was coming in Louisiana, and it was going to be tropical storm conditions here in Gulf Shores. And our kitties here went through the last storm by themselves in the house because, as you know, if you follow, we were on the boat, and I just started feeling really bad. And we have 5, and this is the one that's the most sensitive, and this is Tuxie. She's very sensitive, and she misses this when we're gone. So that's a very cute little kitty right there. She's purring. So anyway, stay tuned now for some footage of Richard showing us around and a little bit of the boat hauled out up on the stands.
She loves to listen to Miley on the radio. Strictly good vibrations in her headphones. Play them Fiji songs all night long. Really, what more can you ask for? And at the end of a long day, no need for go out, we could dance the night away to some Beckham music, just me and you. That's all I really need. She's got brown eyes living in a small town.
5/8 wire, so anything you need in any rigging stuff and what you need for it, we can do.
What is this? It's a
Container.
It's 2 containers together.
2 40-foot containers.
It's genius.
So, and that's all the rigging wire.
Wow.
So for all your shrouds, we do it here.
Yeah.
We also use stay lock primarily, which never very rare or never has had a failure. So all our parts are stay lock. And Glenn is the most responsible person here to do it all, most experienced. But we never give him enough help. Or enough money.
Does he work around the clock?
Just enough. So yeah, we carry whatever you need. Lifelines, either coated or uncoated, whatever size as well.
And you like uncoated though, don't you?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I remember.
Yeah, coated is, you can't see what's going on underneath it.
Exactly.
So I mean, you look at the price of a stay lock fitting, I mean, that's not cheap.
Right.
These things are expensive. And that's how much work we got.
Am I on there?
It will be now.
Now that I'm here?
Yeah, we're just going to finalize everything. Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Also, we've got the welding table, we've got the lathes, we've got the big presses, bandsaws, TIG welders. We can come and weld on your boat.
You can make whatever.
Yep.
What do you make?
Anything.
Arches, davits,
Yep.
poles.
what you need.
To hold
Now,
stuff.
we normally buy the arches out and then we come and fit them because it's cheaper that way.
Okay.
But if any welding and easy, Brian and Jenny do all the welding.
Okay.
So yeah, this is a complete, and we can do mobile welding as well.
Okay. So Richard, what do you do?
Right, we rig yachts and we do anything electrical. We'll do solar panels, arch installs, anything like that. If you've got a problem anywhere, you can give us a ring. We'll give you online advice, or by phone, we give you the advice. Anything that you need manufactured, we can do stainless or aluminum.
Yeah.
We have sales repairs as well, just in our same facility
That's
here.
how you started, the
And
yacht rigger.
The yacht rigger.
But he's also going to tighten and reinforce my sand shoe and fix what else?
Running rigging, standing rigging,
Yeah.
where your rudder sits onto the shoe there, which is your
Yes.
sand shoe, so that'll be strengthened. All your electronics will be fitted, right?
Yes.
So we've got ABYC qualified electricians that work with us.
Going to do a post, as you say, to put the Garmin radar and my new Rutland
1200.
Adjust the jib.
Adjust the jib. Well, no, check the furler.
Okay.
You've got a stiff furler there, which is the hood wheel. Just make sure that runs.
Yeah,
smoothly.
it was so hard to get that jib back in yesterday in the
No,
wind.
it's probably it's either dirt or something. We'll have a look at that,
Okay.
and then obviously we'll look at your standing rigging.
Yes, of course you
Richard
will.
comes with a great reputation.
Oh, yeah,
for
he
the
does.
number
21
of,
years old.
Yeah,
Doesn't sound good.
22.
22 years old. No, something's going to have to.
Yeah.
We'll look at it all and see what we can come up with.
Cecilia gave it a thumbs up for now, except for one piece, which I'll send you.
Really speak, I don't
but,
know how they can.
but we'll just check it out. And
Yeah.
also, when I when I stand at the helm, I stare directly into the bimini. That's not going to work.
No.
And when I sit, I look directly at the chart plotter, blocking all view. That's not going to work.
We'll sort that out.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to put my Garmin. You're going to slowly get me back over to Garmin. We're
right.
going to be pretty quick on this.
Richard seems to have a solution for just about anything.
He does.
Well, the yacht rigger does. Yeah, we've got people
Yacht
here that are qualified in all different aspects.
He's
of
got
it.
We've seen.
just a whole team of people here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where are you located?
St. Pete, in Salt Creek Marina.
Okay, and they can find you how on the web?
If they look up the yachtrigger.com,
Yep. And you're on Facebook and all that good
Facebook.
stuff.
Oh yeah, all our
And-
references and everything on Facebook.
And I met him in late 2016, early 2017 when I broke a chain plate. He changed my life, and he's kept up with me on Salty Abandon all this time, and so it's good to be working with him again. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
All right.
Working with you is great.
She's got brown eyes living in a small town. She doesn't need a stereo to get down. Ooh, she like party on a weekday, and she always make it church on Sunday. She's my queen. She's my queen. Whenever she comes around, I can't help but think, how did I get so lucky? Oh, I can't believe I found the one for me. Better yet, the woman of my dreams. Whenever she leaves, she takes a piece of my heart, and it doesn't feel right till she's back in my arms.